What's up, everybody? It's Mac. Going over today's trades. Wednesday, April 2nd, 2025. Really quick today, just one trade right here, and it was a winner, thankfully. So today was apparently Liberation Day, as they're calling it. Trump's tariffs are going to be enacted, so we weren't quite sure what to expect. He's not making a press conference until after the close, so today's trading is just all speculation. So if we go back, I want to go back here. This was just before 6 a.m. Eastern Time. We get a sell, and we held this sell for over 3.5 hours. Into the open candle, we were still in a sell. That open candle was bullish. Next two candles went almost 200 points up. So extremely good bullish action here. Now we're looking for a buy up here. And I'm thinking it's going to be a while before we get the signal because of how long we were in this sell. We got to overcome this sell. But these two first candles were huge to getting us up here. Cleared this snow line, no problem. Cleared this other snow line and came back. So this candle starts the buy signal up here. And I'm like, oh no, if it closes up here, it's going to be way overextended. It's not going to be a good play. Thankfully, it comes down and is actually a bearish candle, closes right here at the snow line. And that gives us way more than enough points to get to this tree line, which would have been the next real target. So I entered right here, got about 20 points in profit, not quite to break even, come back and closes bearish. The next candle, 10 o'clock, is a news candle. Not really a huge news, but like a month-over-month inventory type thing. Initially is down. We got really close to the stop, about 6 or 7 points from the stop. And then it got balled up really quick, shot up, we hit the target, no problem. 2-1 win right here. So got that win. Not really looking for anything else right now. I was watching right here to see if this would test the 21. It didn't quite get there. Comes back up, tests this high again, and then would never looked back. Now right here, it looks like it touches the 21, but it didn't quite touch it. And this is in the 11 o'clock hour anyway, so I'm not taking trades in here. But I mean, an entry here would have been good. Here it touches the 21 but closes below, and then it goes back up. And I've said in my rules, if it closes below, I'm not taking the next candle trade no matter how it closes. But it would have worked out because we're still going up. It's only 1:30 now, all right, almost 1:30. We're still in the same buy. So I've already closed out, uploaded this one trade to TradeZilla because we're not going to get another back signal before 2 o'clock. It's just not going to happen. There might not be another signal at all today. Who knows? But my day's done. I got my win right here. Thankfully, I didn't try any re-entries trying to catch another move because I probably would have gotten wicked out somewhere. So stuck to my rules. I took the one signal, and it was a winner. I've been doing some more back testing all the way back to October of last year. In my rules or my strategy, I take a 2-1 between the open and 11, and then from 12 to 2, I look for a 1.5 to 1. But going back, it's more than 3-1 that these trades in the afternoon also hit 2-1, more than just 1.5 to 1. So I'm thinking I'm going to be going for 2-1 all day and keep the same 1-1 break even. And then if we hit 50, I'll bring that stop up to the 1-1 because there's a few that hit 50 points, but not quite 60. So that's something I'm going to be experimenting with. And I've done the math, and with one account and the position size that I take, 8 micros for a 2-1 with this target and stop loss, it's between on the lowest month, which was March. March was a bad month. March would have been like $9,000 profit. And on a good month, January was killer. January was like $18,000 profit. So that's with one of these accounts. So if I'm able to clear this one and get up to 3 accounts, holy cow, that will be absolutely life-changing money. And that's the goal. So I just have to stick with this plan and not take any other stupid trades. Like like trying to take a long somewhere in here, probably would have gotten wicked out, or thinking, oh, we're gonna tank at the open, and then we didn't. So avoiding losses, taking good plays, that's the strategy. So on to tomorrow, Thursday, we're gonna see how this Trump tariff press conference plays out. I'll watch the closing price action, and then the overnight. We'll see what happens in the overnight. And I'll catch you tomorrow. Look for the next video. Like and subscribe. Peace out.